All right, everyone, welcome to today's recap. I hope you all are doing well and staying blessed. If you guys are new here, my name is Jeremiah, and I'm a small cap day trader. Today is a green day. I was able to recoup yesterday's loss and bring the account back to the highs. So I'm no longer in drawdown, and today was a really nice green day. Only had two trades, one break even, one was a winner. My first one was the winner, but I only traded BENF. This stock has a float of 1.18 million shares. It had news today about Beneficient closes $8.75 million GP primary capital transaction. I don't know what that is, but it sounds good, and obviously other people liked it too. We had an instant surge in volume. From the get-go here. So I jumped in on a micro pullback, or I intended to jump in on a micro pullback. You'll see that my unlock trading window opened as soon as I tried to take my entry. Let's see where I tried to jump in. So I tried to jump in there at I don't know. I don't know, was that 60? There was a bunch of green that went through. So maybe we'll just say we'll just say I got filled at 70 if that's where I got in. But I ended up getting in at 78 once I had opened up my trading panel or unlocked my trading. So I got in there as it started to go green, which is good. And then immediately I was up from that. Did come back down, but then started to squeeze higher. Had my profit target set there. Got out at 516. I could have held it a lot longer once again. Unfortunate, but I'm grateful to be green more than I was red yesterday. So although I didn't fully capitalize on this and didn't hold it as long as I could have, I think I'm happy with what I made today, because it's better than a red day, better than a break-even day, and it feels good to be out of drawdown now, and it's a great way to end the week. Great way to end the week for sure. So that was my only trade, or sorry, I took one more trade. It was a dip, and I actually timed it pretty nicely here in terms of getting at the bottom. So I got in right there at the bottom of the wick. I should have sold it sooner, and I tried to, but I didn't know the ask was that far above. So let me look at the level 2 now. So I tried to get out on the ask, I guess, which apparently was 10 cents above. Like, what? Where is that coming from? So I guess it was at 58 for a second there. So I don't know. That's why it was so much higher, but I could have sold that for a nice winner. I would have been happy with getting out like right where it was. That's the whole reason I put my order there. I thought the spreads were tighter, but probably should have been paying attention to the level 2 or the spreads, I guess. So that could have been a nice, I don't know, from 34 to what, 48, 14-cent winner. Wouldn't have been bad. Anyways, ends up dipping down, and I do get out break even, thankfully. Didn't think it was gonna topple over after that, so I just held it at break even. Risky, I know, but worked in my favor, and I think that was it. I said, you know what, that was a close call. I'm going to be done with trading. Next time that happens, I have to be paying attention to the spread, and I need to be getting out on the bid, because, best case scenario, I get out where price is at, or worst case scenario, I get out on the bid, right below the current price. But in any case, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys did enjoy. Hope you guys are staying green. It's a cold market, so take it slow, manage your risk. That's the name of the game right now. So I hope you all are doing well with that. And with that, I will see you all in the next one. Peace.